Introducing the R2 CNC fiber tube laser from Engineering Machinery, a powerful solution that's rapidly becoming the go-to choice for small to medium-sized workshops across Ireland. Engineered for performance and value, the R2 offers an impressive range of features at a cost-effective price point. Its intuitive software makes it easy to nest multiple tube profiles and send them straight to production, no hassle, no delays. The R2 features a dual chuck system with fast automated front-end loading, minimizing manual handling and reducing operator fatigue. When it comes to capacity, the R2 handles everything from small diameter tubes starting at 12 mm all the way up to 240 mm box, round and structural profiles. You can also process L-angle, H-beam and U-profile shapes, all powered by a robust 6 kW fiber laser resonator for fast, precise cutting. Available in both 9-meter and 12-meter configurations, the R2 includes all industrial-grade components with mechanical support system and a new high-performance extraction unit as standard. Finished parts are automatically unloaded, streamlining your workflow even further. And thanks to features like auto-centering measurement, you get reliable accuracy from the first cut to the last. The R2 also features short-tail cutting, meaning reduced material waste and increasing production efficiency. With over 30 years of experience in supplying CNC laser machinery to metal fabrication industries, Engineering Machinery is proud to support customers across the island of Ireland. We keep parts in stock and engineers ready to assist, so you're never left waiting. Want to learn more about the R2 or a full range of tube laser solutions? Talk to the experts at Engineering Machinery or arrange a demonstration locally to you.